In this video, I'll show you how to make a deposit on Pocket Option. And in case if you don't have an account on Pocket Option, then I have given a special link in the description of this YouTube video. You can use it and you will be able to get huge amount of first time deposit bonus and also the recurring bonuses that Pocket Option keeps on providing you on time to time. If you are interested in those kind of bonuses, then do use the link that I have given in the description of this YouTube video. So now without doing any delay, let's get into our core topic. So in order to make a deposit on Pocket Option, firstly you need to log into your Pocket Option account and then just click on this top up. Okay, so once you click on this top up, then you will see you need to select the payment method in order to make deposit. Now if you have already made some deposit, then you will already see a pre-populated deposit method at here. Okay, and you can simply put the amount and click on continue and make a deposit. And in case if you want to change your payment method, then what you need to do is you don't need to go this route. Okay, just click on this. Okay, and then you will see the deposit at here. Once you see that deposit at here, then you will see this kind of interface. Once you click on this deposit, then you will see this kind of interface. Now you can select any payment method in order to make a deposit from here. Now one thing you need to be very clear, if you are going to use the card, and for example, let's say if you made a deposit of $1,000 by using cards, then you made a profit of $500, then your account have total $1,500, then that $1,000, the payment that you made from your card will only be withdrawable in your card. Okay, you can only withdraw that $1,000 in your card, and remaining $500 you need to withdraw in any other payment method available inside Pocket Option. That you need to be very clear at the start. Okay, and second important thing, if you want to create any other account, that's fine. You can watch any other YouTube video and create your account on any other web money, pay, redeem, wherever you want. Okay, but in case if you want to make your account with Perfect Money, then Perfect Money is a platform which allows you to do transaction without even verifying your Perfect Money account. Okay, that means you can literally create your Perfect Money account today and start to use it right now from today. Okay, and you can easily withdraw your money in Perfect Money. Okay, and if you want to learn how you can exactly create your Perfect Money account, and even if you want to verify your Perfect Money account in case, okay, then I have a step-by-step, I made a step-by-step tutorial especially for you, and I'll put that tutorial link in the description of this YouTube video. You can watch that video and be able to create Perfect Money right now within 5 minutes. Okay, so let's say you want to deposit from card. Okay, for now, so let's click on any of these. Okay, and then select the amount that you want to make a deposit, like 150, 200, 300, 500, whatever amount you want to make a deposit, you can make. Okay, and you will get a special gift. Okay, as a beginners for depositing good amount of money. Also, if you increase this amount to like $1,000, then you will get another chest for the gift. Okay, so once you see this much, and if you have any promo code, then you can put it at here. However, if you use the link that I have given in the description, then you don't even need this promo code. You will automatically be eligible to get good amount of bonus. Okay, and once you do this much, then you can move forward to deposit your money. But if you haven't verified your account, then you will not be able to deposit this kind of amount. Okay, so firstly you need to verify your account, and if you don't know how to verify your unlimited your Pocket Option account, then I have also a special tutorial on how to create and verify your Pocket Option account. I'll put that video's link in the I'll basically put a Pocket Option tutorial, okay, full tutorial playlist in the description of this video. You can watch every tutorial at there. Okay, so now I'll show you in my real account, okay, how you can make a deposit. So if you have a verified account, then you can see this kind of interface and you can see this kind of bottom. Okay, you just need to click on continue and then follow the step-by-step instruction and get a OTP and verify that you are depositing this amount on the Pocket Option, and you will easily get your fund into Pocket Option instantly, and you can start to trade from right now.